One of the biggest challenges businesses face, especially for industries with volatile pricing, is ensuring that pricing on quotes is accurate and current. QuoteWerks has a number of features that can help ensure pricing is up to date and that you're not stuck fulfilling an order based on outdated pricing. Once you've quoted a product to a customer, it's not uncommon for them to return weeks or even months later looking for the same items to be requoted. Using best, latest, and compare features, you can easily compare pricing and vendors and quickly deliver a revised quote to your customer in minutes. To use the best feature, select a product on the quote and hit the best button on the standard toolbar. This opens the select vendors to include in comparison window. Here you can select any number of vendors you would like. Clicking OK cycles through each of those vendors, finds the best price, and updates the pricing and vendor to reflect the best price available. To use the latest feature, select a product on the quote and hit the latest button on the standard toolbar. This opens the retrieve item pricing window. Clicking OK will look up the selected items from the product data sources they were obtained from using the manufacturer part number and vendor name. Then, QuoteWerks will refresh the cost and price values with the current prices in the database. If any part numbers cannot be found in the product database, you'll be notified in the status bar of the main window. Likewise, if there's been any pricing changes, you'll be prompted to update your pricing accordingly. To use the compare feature, select a product on the quote and hit the compare button on the standard toolbar. This opens the select vendors to include in comparison window. Once you've made your vendor selections, click OK. QuoteWerks then queries the selected vendor databases. The vendor price comparison window will display the vendors you selected along with the current pricing and availability. From here, you can select the vendor with the best pricing and availability and click the Save button to update the quote. The quote will update to reflect the new pricing and vendor. As you've seen, the best, latest, and compare features in QuoteWerks enable you to quickly update pricing to reflect current cost and availability from your vendors. If you have questions or would like to learn more, feel free to contact our team at 407-248-1481.